Hi, welcome to Social Research Insights. My name is Kamaksha Musnuru. I am Principal Consultant at Social Research Insights. The Social Research Insights is not a business organization, it is a freelance training outfit. We are a couple of individuals who are working on freelance as freelancers, and we provide training on data science, analytics, and IoT, Internet of Things. We recently added one more portfolio to our training. One more areas to our training portfolio, that is industrial automation, which means machine learning and artificial intelligence, something like that. This is one of the videocasts which belongs to my series of presentations on how to write Java programs and create the Java executable file. In short, we call it as jar file. Because this knowledge is very important to write the MapReduce programs for Hadoop. As I mentioned in one of my videos, previous videos, that I suffered a lot while searching for the content as how to write the Java code and compress them as in the form of the executable Java files, which will assist us to do some tasks in computer. While writing the MapReduce programs, we require core Java knowledge, and all MapReduce depends on some Hadoop binaries, along with some. It is totally dependent on the Java. This knowledge is very important in order to understand and learn and develop the source code for different big data applications. Okay, in my previous videos, video number 1 deals with writing Java program for arithmetic mean, and video number 2 deals with Java coding for variance and standard deviation. So we have two files. If you are new to this video, please go through my previous videos, which deals with developing the summary statistics using Java. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to compile those two files into a particular folder, and from there creating the executable Java jar file. We need some essential requirements for that. The first requirement is going to be I think I already have this. The first requirement is going to be the class files. Class files. So I have two Java class files. That is one for mean, arithmetic mean, and second one is for the standard deviation. These are the two class files which I have, and in addition to these class files, we also require two more other files. That is one for the main class, in which we are going to mention the methods of these two class files, one mean and standard deviation, and the fourth one is going to be the manifest file. And this file is very important in order to create executable jar file. So these are the four important requirements. So already have the jar file, all these requirements to create the jar. Let me show you that. Let me go back to my parent directory. This is present working directory, so Java programs. This is the directory which I created in one of the earlier videos. So present working directory ls, I have this my main Java and my variance Java, where I have the source code, and while you just go through my previous videos how to write the code for the arithmetic average and standard deviation. My main deals with the arithmetic average, and my variance deals with, it's written two values. One is variance, the other is standard deviation, which I explained in my earlier videos. And now to create the class files, okay, my present working directory is this Java programs, and let me show you what is the directory tree from here. I have another directory called avgvar. Here you can see I created in order to make the package, and please be mindful that we are creating a package. A package in Java is essentially a directory. So a package in Java is essentially a directory. So it is a directory in which we have our class files, class 1, class 2, class 3, something like that. So finally making a package is actually compressing a directory in which we have all these essential classes. Let me get into this directory. In this directory I have my main class, which I had told you earlier, and I also have a manifest file. So let me open this main class and show you what is there inside. First let me remove this jar, because I don't need this. Okay, so let me open this. Yeah, I think I have this Java file in my. I should go to one directory back to, yeah, here somewhere I should be having yeah, here average var. This is actually this class file belongs to the jar file average var, which is there one directory back. So what I do, I just copy this average var java to average var directory. So cd average var, just to make you clearly. So now once I have my class files I have all my class files in the subdirectory average var. Once again, this is average var in average var, something like that. So my directory structure is going to be like this. I hope I'm not confusing you. I have Java files, which is a parent directory in which I have my Java file for class 1 and Java file for class 2, and I compile these files into the subdirectory called average var under average var. So this average var, though both of them have the same name, it doesn't matter for us. So the Java files which are there in the parent directory Java file, actually after compiling the class files goes to two steps, two directories down. So one average var, avg var, something like that. So now present working directory, let me show you. This is Java programs. So under this, the first average var directory, in this I have another directory average var, like so cd average var. Now you see I have the class file for mean, arithmetic average, the class file for variance, which will return two outputs, that is one variance, other standard deviation. Now so present working directory, so Java programs, where I have my Java files, and after compiling I got the those two classes into the Java var. How we are going to do that? Go to one directory and another directory, parent directory. So here I am in the parent directory. Here I have my Java files for my mean and my variance. Okay, so once you have these files, so you just have to execute sudo javac, then we have to give the d, which means compile these source files into the average var, then my mean Java, something like this. So once you press enter, then your class file related to my mean goes to two directories down. So this way you can just I already have those files in my directory. So cd average var, so here I have those two class files. So come back one directory. Here we need to create the rest of the two dependencies, that is requirements. That is one main file, the other one is the manifest file. So these are the four important requirements to create the. So here I have the main file in which my main class is there. Let me show you that what I've written in the sudo gedit. I'm using gedit right from the beginning. Average var Java. So here I have my main function average var, in which I have the instances for both classes, my mean and my average. So this you can go through my previous videos where I explained you what is the main function and the user defined functions, how to compile and do everything. Okay, now since I have all the requirements ready, I have to tell you what is there in my manifest file. Sudo gedit manifest txt. So here I just have a single statement, that is main class is average var. What is this average var? This is the main class in my main function. I mean the average var dot java. So this is actually the class name in my file where the main class there. So that is how. And now I have all the requirements. I think I don't need this java average var java, so I can just delete sudo rm average var java. So now I just have all the requirements, so we are ready to go to make the java executable file, which is jar. To do that, I have to execute a statement sudo jar dash cvfm. These are these few the flags which I need to use in order to compress the. So now once you are ready with your requirements, now you can simply use cvfm, and we have to choose a name for this our executable jar file. So I call my jar dot jar. Then I can make use of the manifest file, then compile here. So I want the jar file exactly at the directory where right now I am. So dot. So let's say all the best and press enter. So now added manifest, we got some output in the terminal. Manifest txt, it looks everything gone well. So we have my jar. Let's see if we can execute my jar after creating the jar file or not. So for that, okay, java jar my jar. Let me press it. Yeah, it is going on. So 5 1 2 3 4 5, exactly the way we did earlier. Oh, all those two files are executed at a time. Now 5 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, but I want to execute only one given class at a time, at a given time. So that is my requirement, because if I have 10 classes in a given jar file, I'm not going to execute all the 10 classes, right? So for that, what is going to I have a different statement. The statement is going to be like this: java dash cp. I should give a fully qualified name, I mean the full path for the class. I think I have a package average var and dot my mean. So this is the class which is in my package avgvar. Now let me press enter, showing me some I think I should use a different yeah, my java jar, right? And I have to give my jar dot jar, I think average. Let me see now. Yeah, now it's going on. 5 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, now it is only mean, right? So let us go for variance. Now it should execute only variance. Yeah, exactly. So now I got the variance and standard deviation. So this way we can just start creating the packages. So now you should be, once you are ready with your methods, logic, strategy and everything, you're going to develop the source code, writing the programs using Java, and then package them, share across your circle. Okay, if you like this video, please press like and then stay tuned for the new content. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.